Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So with support of Windows 10, which reached end of support on the 14th of October last year, as you may well know, Microsoft made a extended security updates program available, which you can sign up to, which we have been talking about on the channel. And the ESU will receive extended support until October the 13th this year, 2026, which will give you access to security updates and bug fixes and so on. And that 13th of October will be the Patch Tuesday of October this year. And then after that date, according to Microsoft, Windows 10 will stop receiving security patches altogether. Now, even though Microsoft made the ESU available, obviously first prize for Microsoft, as you can see, would be for you to move on to Windows 11, which Microsoft has been pushing hard over the last couple of years for users to upgrade, even though some of the hardware restrictions are quite strict. And in regards to this, a new report by ESET, Windows 10, half of Germany is in a deep sleep, indicates that, which by the way I'll leave in the description, makes for an interesting read, and you'll just have to translate it because it is in German. According to this report by ESET, Germany struggles with change, including switching operating systems, and Windows 10 remains extremely popular among Germans compared to other countries worldwide. That's a quotation from Alexander Opel, who is an IT security expert at ESET. Now, if we have a closer look at some of these figures here, if we have a look at this paragraph, despite Microsoft's continued push toward Windows 11 and trying to get users onto Windows 11, many users have remained hesitant, according to the data provided by ESET, which shows that in Germany, 48%, that's 21 million computers, 48% of home users still prefer Windows 10, narrowly trailing Windows 11 at 49.5%, which makes that 21.5 million PCs, which basically highlights how evenly split the user base remains in this region, even years after Windows 11's release, which I thought was interesting. So this does suggest that many users still feel satisfied with Windows 10, and that the hardware requirements of Windows 11, compatibility issues, or maybe the way Microsoft is going with the operating system, as in injecting it with AI in every nook and cranny, are causing this delay. And for others, it just may be that delaying the upgrade feels more practical, as in they don't want to go through the hassle of upgrading to a new operating system and learning the ins and outs. And I personally don't think it's just Germany. I see a lot of comments on the channel that people are still comfortable and are happy on Windows 10, even though the end of support has arrived officially, according to Microsoft. And this is all despite Microsoft's efforts to encourage upgrades, with a large portion of the user base still seeing little urgency to move on. But check the report out if you'd like some more information. I've just gone over one or two of the highlights, just to keep you guys posted like we like to do on the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.